Assalamu alaikum. This is Talk to Farina Najam from Division of Arts and Social Sciences, University of Education, Lower Mall Campus, Lahore. The course title is Advanced Drawing and the course code is Fine 3119. Dear students, hope you are fine. Today our topic is about gesture drawing. This is a practical topic. Gesture drawing can take the fear out of drawing because it is not meant to be a precise and exact representation of the object. It is simply a way of capturing the essence of a scene. Gesture drawing is basically capturing the movement of the subject quickly before the moment is gone. Draw the subjects as simply as possible. Avoid any details and just lay down quickly drawn lines to create form. Draw both heavy and light lines. The highest lines indicate areas of visual weight or importance. Example of gesture drawings. Quick sketch. It captures movement and energy. You can see in this picture. Figures in movement and energy. Example. Gesture drawings are quick sketches that capture the essence of an object. They are great for practice and warm up prior to a serious drawing. Sometimes the drawings are so loose that you may not recognize the object, but the form is still strong. Quick sketches, you can see the form of figure. May not recognize the object, but the form is still strong. You can see this drawing. If a model will pose in the center of the room, your first drawings will be 1 2 minutes long. The time will decrease to 30 seconds with further pauses. Draw mass and form. Do not outline, do not draw details. You must stand and move your elbow or wrist as you draw. Do not include details. Lines should be scribbled and exciting. Keep the activity fun and positive with an "I can do it" attitude. So, after the assignment, you will be able to identify gestural lines, implied lines, and expressive lines. Use gesture lines to sketch and capture the movement and form of an object. Thanks.